I'm going to show you how to make Potstickers now. So if you like to make it from scratch, great. I will have the recipes at the end of the video. But if you just want to buy from the grocery stores and want to know how to make Potstickers at home, just write. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first I want to let you know what we need. So of course you want to buy a package of frozen Potstickers and some cold water, oil, and cooking pan with a lid. So it's very important we need to have a lid. You'll see why. And then we have, of course, you need Potsticker sauce. And Ying's Potsticker sauce is delicious. No preservatives, no MSG added, and no high-fructose corn syrup. Okay, now, so let's get started. First, we're going to add some oil. You ask how much? It's just a thin layer of the bottom of your pan. Because, you know, depends. Are you using small or using big? How much you make? They all, you know, need to put in consideration. So since I'm using this pan, I have plenty to make a whole pan full. Only one single layer though. So let's get started. Just like I said, just cover the bottom of the pan, okay? Thin layer. So then we're going to put Potstickers in. You don't have to salt them. I will prefer not to salt them. Just put them in. Thin layer. You can place them pretty close together. That's fine. Now we have a thin layer of the Potstickers. And you can see the bottom are already brown. And then we're going to add some cold water and get your lid ready because it's going to splatter. So we're going to put a little bit of water just to cover half of the Potstickers, or quarter. Cover a quarter of the Potstickers height. But cook on medium. Once they started boiling, then we can turn it down. So we're doing pans here first, and then we're steaming by put the lid on with water cooking inside. You're probably going to ask, when do you know it's done? So when you see the steam is pretty much gone, and you can hear the cracking of the, in the pan. That means the pan is getting dry. You want to make sure water all evaporate before you take it out. So I can hear the sound getting louder and louder. So I know it's about ready. You don't want to burn your pan, but also you don't want to have standing water. So what if you lift the lid and then still have water? Then you turn the heat back on until all the water evaporates. So look at this. So you want to make sure Potsticker is cooked. So you can see a little bit of liquid on the bottom. I believe that's oil. Sometimes depends on what kind of pan you use. If you don't wait until it's totally done, it will, the Potstickers will really stuck. So now we can use delicious Potsticker sauce to dip the Potstickers in. Delicious. And you know, it really doesn't take very long. Then you can still say you made it. Let's have a try. Yum. Gotta try the sauce. It's absolutely delicious.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.